Good morning, guys. Hey, best friends. Okay, don't pay this no attention, okay? It's early in the morning and we in quarantine, okay? So y'all, oh, where's it at? So I have a couple of thin locks and I just crocheted one back on. No, it wasn't that one. Where was it at, y'all? Jesus. Oh man, I wouldn't be able to find it. I should have left it out. But anyway, oh, this is it. This is it. It was thinning, so I took the lock apart and then put it back. And I wanted to show you guys. See right there? You can't even tell. You all do know I have lock extensions, right? Okay, let's keep it real. So I'm going to show you all how I did that because I'm not a professional with this, okay? See, I have another thin spot. And I think that's going to be my project today. But see, yeah, I have probably got about a good maybe 5 or 6. But one completely fell off yesterday. Look, it looked like a mistake. One completely fell off. Where is it at? So you can see how long my hair. Oh, is it right there? I just felt it. Here it is. Doo, doo, doo. And my hair was short. My hair was like probably about right here when she did my hair. So my hair is really grown. So I am about to attach this lock to here. Stay tuned. Let me put you guys up a little bit more and make sure you can see. Okay? Okay, hunty. Okay, so first thing first, you take a crochet needle. Now, I think you can find these online at Amazon. This is the 0.90. This is a number 8.90 millimeter. And this is the one I work best with. So, what we're gonna start to do, this is the end. And this is, you know, the end of my hair. And this is the part where it's gonna attach. See how it was? We're gonna take that loose to make. You just take it loose, use your little knitting thing. And we wanna make the hair like this, like so. But I'm gonna do a little bit more. So hopefully it won't thin out again. And I've been practicing on this, y'all. I mean, you can do it, but it just takes practice. I wanted to actually go get a class, but y'all, I don't have the patience for hair. This is like a good money though. Oh, okay. So I think I'm gonna stop right here because I'm losing hair. Okay, so you see I have that much. You see it? Focus. There we go. That's thin. Okay, so where's my hair again? Okay, here is my hair. Now I'm gonna try to hold my hands, but hopefully you can see it. But you see how I'm placing it on top? I'm looking in the mirror over here, by the way, too. So if you see me looking off, it's my mirror because I can't do it looking at that. So then you take your crochet needle and then it's like you kind of go in and out, but you're pressing them together and you kind of turn it, but not that much. And you're just going in and out. And so you pull and it doesn't hurt. Okay, see, so we semi got it on because it didn't fall off. But yeah, it's not all the way on because if I pulled it, it would have came off. So you're gonna move up. Either you can start up and you can move down, or like me, I like to start in the middle, then move up, and then I go back down over it. See how it's attaching? Whew. Now, I was just gonna go to a salon and get all of these fixed, you know, like a loctician, but we're in quarantine. There are a couple of people still out there doing locks, but I'd rather not risk it. me. I just don't know who's been in their shop. And I have locks. It's not that serious. Even if I had to wear my short lock and couldn't reattach it myself, it's locks. To me, I don't like perfect manicure locks, so that's fine. But at the same time, ooh, that didn't hurt. Sometimes you stab your fingers with the crochet needle, like it'll get hooked, because it's a little hook. Where am I at? There's a little hook. Come on, focus. When I say focus, it focuses. See, it's a little hook right there, and sometimes it get. This camera's getting on it. Sometimes it gets like caught in your fingers. Where is it at? I feel like it's on there good, but I have a feeling it's gonna get thin again. And it's probably because I'm not a professional with this, but hey. Okay, let's see. I think I'm done. Oh, okay. I'm done. It's stuck. But do you see how, let me get in the camera, how it's still a little thin? Yeah. So in the future, probably from wearing like ponytails and stuff, it's gonna thin back out. And that was probably one that I already fixed. I'm gonna just go in a little bit more. From like when you wear ponytail holders and stuff. But yeah, it was just that easy, y'all. I look crazy. Boom, just like that. My lock is reattached. My lock is reattached. And I don't feel like doing these demos right now. That's the thing. Like, I don't feel like doing it right now. I have that one. Let's count how many thin ones we have. Oh, and I mean thin, I mean like it look like it's gonna pop off, even though it's not. They're not gonna pop off. The one yesterday, I think Maverick, that one was like the thinnest one I had. And Maverick pulled it. See, I have two so far. To get these two. Look how thin. See? They look like they're gonna pop off, but they're not. So that's why I'm not worried about it just yet. But I will get it fixed so that way, yeah. And I think those are the only two really thin ones that I have. But yeah, I'm being lazy during quarantine right now. I'm about to go back watching Snapped. But I thought, since I wanted to fix that one lock, it's not wrong. I just drank coffee. That I would show you all my lock extensions. So thank you for supporting and watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll know when I post my next video.